Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Toyota Tacoma and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need two different solutions in order to prep the taillight lens. The first solution is our Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is our Tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water as well. So with the Slip solution, just spray it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. And then with your Tack solution, just spray it onto a clean side of the towel and start removing any contaminants that the lens may have. This will help remove any oils, grease, or any coatings that the lens may have. Okay, so first we're going to start with the piece that covers this front section of the taillight. So just apply Slip solution to the lens and Slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And make sure you align this section of the tint to this section of the taillight. So you're going to match it here, and the top section here, you will notice that there's a small body line here. So just match it to the body line here. And everything else should fall into place, and it ends roughly around here. So once we have it aligned, you're going to lift the film carefully, grab your Tack solution and spray it underneath the film, and spray it on top. You're going to grab your squeegee and just make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. Start from the top and then work your way down. And make sure to remove everything, that way we don't have any bubbles left over. So the next step before we finish with the install is to make sure we seal the entire edge here. So to seal it, you're going to grab your Tack solution and spray it on the edge. And you're going to use a heat gun. You can also use a hairdryer and use the lowest setting on your device. And make sure to let the film, make sure that the heat gun heats up a little bit, and then apply it all around the edge on the film. Make sure to apply the heat evenly, that way we don't burn the film. And as you're applying the heat, you're going to grab your microfiber towel and just start tacking down the film on the top edges. Okay, just double check, make sure before you move on, make sure that everything is sealed all around the edge. To make sure it's sealed, you could use your finger and just pass your finger all over the edges. If your finger is not catching the edges of the tint, then everything is completely sealed. But if it is catching, then you would just grab your heat gun and just apply heat wherever the film is still lifting, and then just help it tack down. Okay, so for the next piece, just grab your Slip solution and apply it on the adhesive side of the film, and apply it onto the lens as well. And all we're going to do is just place the film onto the lens, and we're going to make sure we align the tint on this edge first. So work your way from top, side, and then bottom. So for the top section, just align the film right on the body line on the edge here. It's not going to cover all the way to the edge here. It's going to stop around this area here. So that's where you would align the tint. You can overlap it just a little bit on the edge, that's perfectly fine. But once you have it aligned on this area here, we're going to grab our Tack solution, spray it here, and then spray on some on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, make sure it stays aligned, and hold it and tack down. Remove all of the solution underneath the film. Make sure not to leave any bubbles. And now that we secured this one, we need to make sure we stretch the film to reach this section to the edge right here. And also when we stretch the film, we're going to remove the fingers that are located around this area and this one right here. So to stretch the film, just apply Slip solution, spray it underneath the film, place it back down, and with your hand, just position it around this area here, and then just stretch it until you reach to the edge right here. So stretch the film, and as you can see, the fingers that we had here disappear. Hold it for a couple seconds, grab your Tack solution, and spray it on top of the lamp. Grab your squeegee, and bring everything to this end right here. Make sure everything stays aligned So if you need to readjust it, you can. So just lift it carefully. Spray slip solution and readjust the film. Tack it down. And we should be good on this area right here. Okay, and now we work towards the bottom. Okay, now to remove the fingers that are located around this area here, we're just going to lift the film carefully up until we stopped tacking down. We're going to grab our slip solution, spray it onto the lens and the adhesive side of the film, place it back down, and stretch the film going downward. That way it reaches the edge right here. So it should stop on the edge where the tail light is about to end right here. This is just a light stretch. That way we're able to align this here. Make sure it stays aligned. The film is going to overlap with this one. And it matches here. So grab your squeegee, start tacking it down slowly. Okay, and just lightly stretch the film to reach it to this edge right here. That way we're able to remove this finger. Just make sure this area is dry. That way you have a better grip. Stretch and tack down as you go. And now we work on this end. Just in case the film did get dry, just grab your slip solutions, apply it underneath. And the same steps as how we did it here. You would stretch this film until the edge right here. Hold it in position for a couple seconds, grab your squeegee and start tightening down to secure it. Okay, and one tip, if you do come across this finger here, right in the center, try not to squeegee it down. The reason why this comes out is because since we installed it here first and we did the stretch, on this area here, it just needs a little bit more stretching. That way this finger disappears. So just going back to the top area here, lift it carefully up until where the finger is located. So that should be good. Apply slip solution, place it back down, and just stretch the film just a little bit to help remove the finger. So that should be good right there. And now you just hold it, grab your squeegee, and tack everything down. Okay, and now the big finger that we have here, it's more smaller. So now to remove any fingers that we have around the edges, you would just grab your heat gun or a hair dryer. You would grab your tack solution, spray it on top where the fingers are located, grab your heat gun, apply heat using the low setter, apply heat evenly, and just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. And then do the same here. So now the fingers that we had here and here, they flatten out because we helped the film stretch on this end and then applied heat to tack it down. Okay, and the last thing to do before we go with the post heating is make sure we seal this entire edge here, the bottom, and all around here. Since the film is overlapping on this side here, we need to make sure everything stays sealed. So just apply heat. Make sure you apply it evenly, and just with your microfiber towel, help it tack down. Do this all around the tint, and then once we're done, we'll post heat the film. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat the entire film. So just grab your tack solution and spray it all over the tail light lens. And we're going to use our heat gun or a hair dryer and apply heat evenly throughout the entire tint. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help remove any solution around the edges, and also just making sure if the film is lifting, we just help it tack back down with heat. So take your time doing this step, and once we're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Toyota Tacoma. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.